Hello, gurus. Hello, beautiful people. I hope you're having an amazing day. I love you all. I wish you the best in life. I wish you lots of money, happiness, health, fun, peace, friendship. And I wish this for everyone else also. I'm gonna show you how I move around my money to make more money. Why? Why is money important? It's health, family and friends, and wealth. The three, in my opinion, top three things. Why? Because money allows you to, like for example, my friend today, or yesterday, had a foot injury, and she had to get rushed to hospital. And because she didn't have enough money, it was like difficult for her. Where, like in my opinion, which is a whole different story about taxes, governments, and hospitals, and people not funding hospitals correctly. But I'm going to show you how I move around my money. My goal is give you financial freedom from your phone so you can pay for people's feet when they get injured and they don't have insurance or enough money to pay for it. So you can help the people around you. The more people doing this, helping and making the world better around them, you don't want to be a king in a rubbish tip. Everyone should have a good quality of life. You don't want to be a king in a rubbish tip. You want to be like everyone has a good quality of life in like a beautiful Garden of Eden. And that's the goal of everyone. And each decision, each objective, each thing that you do contributes to that garden. Are you doing things that is helping people, making the world better? Are you working in a shit company, doing shit stuff that's evil? Leave those companies. Take out your money from those companies. Defund those companies. Fund companies and fund people and do things that is helping the world. Your dollars count. Your dollars are your votes in the world. Your energy as a human being, given a currency or a way to transact, it's currency. Dollars now at the moment it's US dollars, slowly becoming Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin is so important. Anyway, now I'm going to show you my normal video, do Bitcoin technicals, show you how I move around money and how I grow my money with making money more. That's my goal. This is not financial information. You have to do your own due diligence, consult your brokers, financial professionals. This is what I do with my money, and I'm giving you a view of what I do. I'm a multi-millionaire. I travel the world. I live in giant villas. I go wherever I want, do whatever I want. I start companies all the time, creating cool shit. I'm working on an AI company, play to earn company. My goal is to play to earn is universal basic income and a new system of kind of abundance. Anyone from a phone can then access crypto, then can access money through play to earn gaming. AI is just to make, I think AI is going to revolutionize the world, just like the internet did, just like the car did, just like the wheel did. And AI is a big one. It's like, wow, it's so powerful. It's all the world's knowledge, all human existence, all human knowledge. There's a limit based off number of tokens, but it's on the model that's used. But more knowledge than any other one individual human condensed into one thing that you can talk to. It's amazing. Check it out. Chatgod.ai is one of them, but there's many. ChatGPT is also a very powerful one. And check those out. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the technicals. If you have $100, your goal is to multiply it 1,000 times. If you have $1 million, your goal is to multiply it 3 times. MCRT up 2.2%, leading the market. Beautiful. Tesla 1.8%, Intel 1.4%, BNB up. Market quite green. FXS down a little bit, nothing major. Let's go into Bitcoin. This is what I'm buying. So everything you see here is what I'm buying. MCRT, play to earn gaming. Tesla, Elon Musk, cars, Intel chips, BNB, Binance's entire crypto ecosystem of wallets, cards, crypto transactions. In my opinion, one of the biggest companies in the world. Let's see where Binance is going. Oh, bottoming formation. 15, but that's on too short a time frame, 15 minutes. So here you're looking at the life beat or the heartbeat of Binance, the movement of its prices over time. And you can see here that here we have a major support. This $200 area is a major support for Binance. Massive one. Look at that. It goes back to 2021. Let's go back more. Weekly, very oversold. Extremely oversold. It looks very nice. Here is a great buying opportunity. Look at this major support. It goes back. Look here in June 2023. So, okay, BNB, great buy, but volume dropping very heavily. Look at this. Look at the volume that it used to be. 2020, 2020. Look at the volume now, like drying up. But the price is never breaking. It's not breaking this. It has major support here. And it's got major support. Why can't I target? Somehow did something. Okay, it's got major support here at 217. So I'm just looking what can I buy that's going to multiply my money? What's going to make me more money? What can I leverage, trade, or move my money into? So this is cheap now compared to its all-time high. It's down like quite a lot. It can go lower. If it breaks 217, next there's like a free fall. There's no support going all the way down to $38. So it can free fall like crazy during that whole pump. Look at that. Boom, from 217. This is a major break for Binance. Look, it broke a trend line, strong one. That goes back to 2022. Crazy. But still cheap. I would buy here. You can buy going down, but never catch a falling knife. Wait till it stabilizes. But again, this is a very strong support. Look at this bounce that had off this support. 200, bounce back. I don't think it's going much lower than this, even though 123 is a support. So I'm going to buy some. So I go over to Bybit. You can trade if you want to trade like me. All the steps down below in the description of the video on your phone. 1, learn how I do everything. 2, trade on this exchange. 3, sign up to that Telegram. Oh, it's free, and you can talk with 9,000 other people. My Ethereum trade is up 437. So now I'm going to open. See, now when I do a leverage trade, I have to be very careful where I set the trade order, because I can lose the trade if it goes against me. It's like it's leverage. But if I buy spot, I don't care as long as it's quite cheap. So spot, until you get good at trading, spot is the better option. So in this account, I have 271,000. It's up 10,000 or something from yesterday or the day before, which is beautiful. So now I want to buy some spot. So I go to trade and I buy BNB. You can turn your phone, lock your phone, and I move it around. So BNB. So right now I just let's buy $10,000 worth of BNB. Confirm, it just bought $10,000 worth. You can see order quantity 40,590. Traded quantity 6. So it's starting to buy that orders of BNB. Now I also know that BNB has a major support at 217. So 217 order quantity. Let's buy 10,000 BNB. But the lower it goes, the more I want to buy. But it can free fall. But again, so okay, let's get $20,000 worth of BNB. See, I've got a lot of orders. BNB, FXS, Uniswap. So I've got to get rid of some orders. 2.8. So I've got a lot of orders. So it's locking up my USDT, which it shouldn't actually until the order executes. It's like not a smart thing. So I can get rid of some of the very low Uniswap, because Uniswap is bouncing back like crazy. But I want to still buy a lot of Uniswap. So I'll get rid of the lower orders. After these execute, I can add more. So now I'm buying $20,000 worth of BNB at $217, 19,003. Buy it. So now that order sits there. So now you can see this order BNB sits there, 217. This order right now is getting filled on BNB, but look, BNB went up a little bit. So you're seeing me do this. Now, same with the trades like Bitcoin. So that's BNB. This is what I would be buying right now, going 217. I would put buy orders going down 186, but again, this is not financial advice. This is what you have to do. Also, I was buying a lot of Tesla. It made massive moves up. So Google, I think, has still got room to run, but at major resistance. You can see going back to 2022. FXS, I've been buying from down here on support. It got this strong bounce. It didn't come down even to this support line, which is interesting. But that's why I've got these buy orders for $4.60, $4.20, $4.39. Again, you have to make your own decisions. Let's check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I've also got buy orders. So you can see that it's in this channel, in my opinion, getting a bounce here. And I think Bitcoin is going to have a big run. If it breaks out here, it's going to be a strong run. Look at that. If it breaks out, it's going to be to 32,500. Unlikely it goes further than the fifth wave. So 35,000 is the target, but at 32,000 here, there'll be a massive resistance, even earlier here. But I think long-term Bitcoin's going to 10 million, so whenever you get into it, nice. But if you want to catch the smaller movements, that's the trade setup that I would take. Breakout from here, so like buying the bottom of this support, stop loss just underneath, take profit at the 37K, this kind of trade setup for like a big long-term hold. So but I've just been adding more and more into Bitcoin. Here, but it's bouncing, so it can come down here. It's at resistance, but usually this breakout happens 70% of the move. This distance here is when usually you have a breakout with confirmation of volume, which we have. So over to my exchange, I buy Bitcoin. So you can see my breakdown of assets, right? 271,000, 30,000 in derivatives for trading, USDT 15K, 3 Bitcoin 81,000, MCRT 41,000, Uniswap 20,000, FXS 9,000. Available USDT is 83,000. So most of it's locked in orders, you can see, but it's actually available is 83,000 in USDT, US dollars. Bitcoin, I've been adding a lot. I've got now 3, so let's get another. I think it's going to run. So add more to Bitcoin. And I've got buy orders for Bitcoin. You can see I've got a buy order for Bitcoin down here at 24,500. So again, what you've learned here is how I'm moving my money around, how I'm buying and selling things, the charts that I'm using to buy them, sell them, the reasons. I sell high and I buy low. I buy Google, Tesla, Facebook, TSM, Stockworld, Charles Schwab, Interactive Brokers. Learn this in the Stock Guru Master Course. You can Google it. I buy Bitcoin, Uniswap, MCRT, which I am the founder of also. So keep that in mind. Do your own research, consult your brokers, etc. FXS, BNB. And whenever all of these are high, individually, I sell them and or all at once. If some big crisis is going to happen, like 2 weeks ago when I sold before that altcoin 20% drop, I saved myself 20%, which is beautiful. Love you all. Have an amazing. Subscribe, smash up, thumbs bottom, the description, 1, 2, 3 steps down below. Learn, study, crypto mastercourse, stock guru mastercourse. Soon on new course is coming. I haven't released the course for over, I think the last one was 2 years ago with the crypto mastercourse. It's got so many like 5-star reviews, like a lot of 5-star reviews. A lot of people come up to me and tell me they've been. I'll show you some of my comments from people. I'll just show you some of the. So these are my teams and audiences, and these are the gains of my audiences. 300%. This guy made $279, $2,400. This is in my free Telegram. $7,000 I made that day on that trade. This student, 1,500. You can see this is the Telegram where everyone's talking. There's 9,000 of you now, and so this is some student gains. This that day I made 169,000. This student made 1,500, 119,000. You can just see it's like many people telling me that I made them multi-millionaires and changed it. Geez, guys, at this point, if you haven't taken the crypto, I went in all in 30K, just made 4 million. I'm in the process of buying $2 million house because of you. My portfolio just hit 1 million. Thanks, James, for you. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Learn, study. This is what I do. Again, not financial information. You do your own due diligence. Consult your brokers. Study. Read books, technical analysis, financial markets. Read books, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Read books, Richest Man in Babylon. Study all my stuff. Learn. Be free. All of this from my iPhone. And I'll see you all again tomorrow.